it over here, so please. Please, me I beg you, no come over here so with it. Please. No want to hear so. You need to love her, man. Guys, I don't know if you don't believe say I love her, I don't know what else to do. What else to say. I don't know. But I say this, I love her. I really do love her. You know? And that's why I did feel how I feel the night. You see me? That's why I did feel how I feel the night. Because as somebody who I really check for. You see me? And remember, nobody not perfect. I still have some little ways about me where I need to change. And some little attitude about me where I need to change. Nobody not perfect. You see me? But if uno not see nothing at all in me, I want to see some love that lady. You see me? I want to see some love that lady. Yeah, man, I care about her, man. Like, being around her, she give me a feelings where me never let, like, guys, when you see, when you watch me and her video and stuff like that, guys, me not feel surround other people. Me not feel surround other people, guys. I swear. Me not feel surround other people. And I know you could have see that. Guys, like, just watch the video. Watch the video and wanna see. Guys, we're so happy together and I don't want nobody come between the happiness. You see me, you see the happiness, we will fight for the happiness. Yeah, me did I cry. Yeah, me did I cry. Me did I cry. This happiness, you go fight for. I know that fight for the happiness. You see me, so I don't want nobody come go and let them want see the thing and want to stop the thing, bro. No, please. And you know, say, I honestly, I believe say everybody deserves happiness. Everybody deserves love. Isn't it? Till you hear them swear, yo. Guys, honestly, I so like I love ball, especially when I miss somebody. I love ball. Guys, I feel like me go like I for go over later, I have a round robin if I go later. And but I feel like me I go just play the round robin and just go over. But I miss that one. Me, I love ball. I'm from a miss like a ball. First last night, I go my pillar and Jaja. I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am. No. You know that song there? Who know that song they can come in the box, come sing. If come in the box, come sing it for me. Love nice, you know. Just find somebody who will love you. Find somebody who willing to change for you. Find somebody who willing to give them all for you. Yeah, love nice. It's when you find a person who willing to change for you, are willing to move mountain for you, are willing to work together with you. Done it done. Done it done. Everybody have them everybody like always say every oar have a sticker bush. Every oar have a sticker bush. So if you don't then no one feel say yo nobody not love you and nobody not there to love you, just wait man, nobody rush it. You see me? Just wait. Don't rush it. Me I telling you. You're not gonna get the love in your life, you don't feel the love, you can't go believe. Remember good now, man. Remember good now, man. Auntie, good morning, Auntie, what's up? Anytime God bless you with that true love there. That true, real love there. There is always somebody out there for you. Maybe you not just know in the right surrounding. You not surrounding yourself with the right people. Good morning, Auntie. You good? Yeah, somehow you need to surround yourself with the right people, the right crowd. Going at the right crowd. Sometimes they don't know community too much. They around them people too much. You need to change the local circle. You see me? Yeah, change up in the circle, man. Some people love you. And we not frightened for know much people love you. That me I tell you, not frightened for know. All about the energy. All about the energy. All about the energy. Remember me telling you. Anytime, someone will know, like never not find real love. Friend no born, will never ever find real love. That I get for understand. So you don't know what is real love. Parents them never shown real love. Nobody never yet shown real love. So you don't know what is real love. Yeah, you don't know what is real love. And it kinda shake up. Kinda shake up. Jane, what's up? I'm so happy for you. Thank you, Auntie. I try going at the ranking one at a time, but I never reach. I never reach at the ranking still, but I'm still grateful for the support same way. You understand? I'm still grateful for the support. But when me ask, one official, thank you. You're good. Yeah, Auntie, I'm good. I just stay. I miss my woman. Yeah, God say I know I miss her. But sorry, I never go up yesterday. Sorry. Everybody will happy for me. Big up on yourself. My text, yeah. Where you text me upon?